Do you have insurance, sir?
Yeah, I got insurance. I told you I had insurance. Hurry the f up and write my ticket so I can go.
Then stay in the car.
My car finna overheat. Let me the f go. Hurry up.
Then stay in the car.
820.
Sir, stop the vehicle!
We got a fun one from Blue Watch today called "Man Attracts Police Attention on the Street, but Expects to Not Be Pulled Over."
That's a traffic stop. Turn the car.
I don't care. What you stopping me for? Because I don't got no plate.
You got a plate?
I just bought the car.
Tints are illegal.
Okay, it don't matter.
It does.
Move out the way.
Turn off your car. Turn off your car. Stay right there. Turn off your car.
I'm not finna turn it. What do you want?
This is a traffic stop. Turn off your car.
And my overheating.
I see that. You got your driver's license, insurance, please.
Yeah. What do you want, bro?
This is a traffic stop. I'm pulling you over for your tints.
I don't know, bro. I'm on 95th and I'm on 87th and what is this?
Can I have your driver's license, please?
I'm on 87th and Cicero.
Can I have your driver's license, please?
My mother car overheating.
Okay. Can I have your driver's license, please?
Here, what station you in? Don't stop. Don't open my motherfucking door.
Take your hand out of your pocket and give me your driver's license.
Here.
Door stays open.
Yeah, hurry up. I'm on 95th and what? What is this? Hurry
87th and Cicero. You already said it, dude.
Unit, please. I also got a file for you.
Yeah, these motherfuckers always fucking with me.
Do you have insurance?
Yeah, I got insurance.
Can I see it, please?
Yeah, they steady fucking with me.
10-4.
I don't know. He ain't following me for. I was on 87th Central. This motherfucker ain't go past where he's supposed to go past.
Do you have insurance, sir?
Yeah, I got insurance. I told you I had insurance.
Can I see it? I'm asking you to see it. You're not
I'm
producing
finna pull it out for you right now.
Okay. Well, if you answer me, I don't have to keep asking the
Okay,
question.
and don't ask me no more. There you go, right there. Here, don't grab my phone. Look at it.
I can't see it.
Okay, it don't matter. Look at it. You can see it right here. Look at it. Don't grab my phone.
I'll just write you a ticket.
No, you're not gonna write me. Here, look at it.
Stay inside the car.
Look at it. You're not gonna write me. Give me my motherfucking phone. You're not gonna write me.
I can't.
This isn't to this car.
Yes, the it is. I got SR22.
Yeah, but that's not.
It don't matter. I got SR22. Go right your bitch ass ticket.
Okay.
Write your bitch ass ticket. What's your badge number?
Keep the car off.
What's your badge number?
Keep the car off. Don't move the car.
What's your badge number?
That's a lawful order, by the way. Don't move the car.
Okay, what's your badge number?
It'll be on the ticket. It will be. Nice and big for you.
The cop did a pretty good job of keeping his cool so far. Oh, we got out of the car. Well,
Stay in the car, man.
You said what?
Stay in the car.
What are you doing?
I'm writing you tickets. You're
For
staying
what?
in the
What
car.
are you writing me tickets for?
I'll explain to you when I give them to you. Get in the car.
Give me my license.
Get in the car. You're about to be arrested.
I'm about to be arrested for what?
Obstructing. I'm gonna tell you.
Obstructing for what?
I'm about to be arrested for what? Oh, my word. This is unbelievable. Wow.
You're disobeying a lawful order. Stay in the car.
Bro, I'm not disobeying.
Did I just give you a lawful order?
You ain't give me a lot.
Stay in the car.
Hold on. Let me hold on.
Sure.
Hold on.
What can I do for you? You're prolonging the traffic stop because while I'm out here talking with you, I can't write the ticket.
Hurry the f up and write my ticket so I can go.
Then stay in
my
the car.
car finna overheat. Let me the f go. Hurry up.
Then stay in the car.
Woo. Got back up. So is he going to drive?
Hurry the f up.
That's what I want to know.
He's a little upset.
Yeah, it's all right.
So I've already told him don't move his car. If he moves his car, he's being arrested because he was trying to tell them to move and back his car up. I told him if he gets out of his car again, he's being arrested because I've already given him a lawful order to stay inside the car. He's getting more angry because I'm not, so. He probably would have taken off on me if his car wasn't overheating.
All of his windows tinted?
Oh, very much so. He's got no plates on the car either.
Oh, very much so. Wow.
Second?
He's got no plates on the car.
Oh, really? Did you get a VIN?
I haven't haven't had a chance. If you guys want to go up there and grab one for me, I'd appreciate it.
Hey, sir. Do you have any registration for the vehicle?
You said what?
Do you have any registration for the vehicle?
I just bought it the other day. He already know that.
Okay. Can you unblock your VIN?
Okay, you can see that. You see that dead dog right there? Can I unbuck a dead dog?
You can move it if you want.
I can't move that.
Okay, can you open your door so I can see the VIN on the door?
Go ahead. That's all you finna see is my VIN.
Is it on this side or
No,
is
it's
it on
right
this side?
there. It's right there.
Oh, look at that. Perfect. Central 312 and VIN. 1 George Rob. We might have to get that again because the dispatcher doesn't always hear everything.
Okay, well, get it again.
What state did you purchase it from?
Indiana.
Indiana? Okay. Let me make sure that they get it. Central 312. You try that at Indiana. If it doesn't come back, we'll meet all 50. All right, we'll come back up to you in a minute.
He was on the phone with somebody telling him where he was at, so
87th and Cicero.
someone else
Yep.
might be showing up. I don't know.
21, I'm getting the bag down to Indiana, down to Rochester, for Brown, Aurora.
10-4, can you send that to 311's box? A tan Aurora? Yeah, what do you know?
It is a tan Aurora.
820 abandoned vehicle, 9708 Cohort.
I believe that's called an Oldsmobile.
820.
Sir, stop the vehicle!
I kind of knew he was going to go.
Sir, stop the vehicle!
Oh, he's just gassing up.
Step out!
Oh, I kind of lost. I was betting he would go somewhere. I was not betting he would merely back up to gas up.
Step out of the vehicle, sir! Hang on, Liam. You're under arrest! Step out of the vehicle, sir!
I'm not going
Step out of the vehicle! Put your hands on top of your head!
I'm not going nowhere. I'm just going right here.
Nope, I told you not to move the car, and I told you not to get out of the car. And you did all of those things.
Bro, what are you talking about, bro? Tatiana, where's you at?
Everything I just told you. I told you multiple times.
Bro,
Good
I'm
thing
not going nowhere.
We're gonna save your battery here, okay?
No, don't turn my phone off.
Yeah, let's get.
For our safety and yours, we gotta shut it off.
All right.
I don't know if that's a safety
Let's go
issue.
this way. I'm not sure why you wanted to escalate this
What are
situation.
you talking about? I'm not escalating nothing.
Sure, you're the only one out here.
I just told you what I'm doing.
You're the only one out here screaming, sir. The key's still in the car, sir?
My hood.
They're on your hood?
Yeah. So what are you doing? Don't put me in that car. What are you doing?
Well, you're under arrest and we're
I'm
towing
under
your
arrest
car.
for what?
Disobeying a lawful order. The thing I told you were going to be arrested for if you moved the car, you stepped out of the car.
I don't know if disobeying a lawful order is a charge that's going to stick in this situation. He could be arrested and charged successfully with impeding an investigation, but disobeying a lawful order, that's a stretch.
I just put the car right there.
Which I told you not to do.
Let me talk to you.
No,
Stop. I'm finna talk to you.
Well, you
Let
can
me talk to you.
You can talk sitting down.
Okay, let me talk to you.
Sure.
Let me talk to you. 345. Let me talk to you.
Absolutely. What's up?
Okay, stop. Go move.
No. He's going to buck you in. I'm not going to close the door,
don't buck
though.
me in.
This is policy.
Just let me talk to you.
Sure.
Come here.
I'm right here.
Okay, come here.
I'm right here, man.
All
What's
right,
up?
come here. Stop. Come here. Just come here.
Stop.
I'm right here.
Just come here.
I'm right here.
No.
You and I can talk.
Okay, can we
My
talk?
body
No.
cam is
all right,
right here.
Listen, I have to go get my kids from school. Can you please just write my ticket so I can go home,
Okay.
please?
We are well past that.
We not past nothing.
Oh yeah, we are. You've done nothing but scream and yell
I'm
at me
not
this entire time.
Nothing. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Stop.
I gave
Just
you
stop.
multiple
Okay.
commands not to do
Listen.
things that you kept doing.
Just stop.
I warned you multiple
Okay.
times, man.
Stop. 345. Can you please? Are you a sergeant?
I am not.
You are not. Can you please just write my ticket so I can go, please?
Yeah, I'll write him at the station. Watch your.
No. Stop.
Vashon was hit with a misdemeanor count of obstructing an officer, as well as citations for driving without insurance, no valid...
Okay, so what we got here, we got obstructing an officer. That's the one where he's like impeding the investigation. I called that one. Disobeying a lawful order, that doesn't work. Driving without insurance, no valid registration, no plates, illegal tints, illegal headlights. Yeah, I think we saw all that. I was pretty impressed with the cops' willingness to keep this thing low-key for a while. Backing up to get gas leads to an arrest. I don't know. But I'd love to know what you think. You think the cops gave him too much rope? Not enough rope? Let me know down below in the comments. Hit the subscribe button. I'll be back soon. See you guys.
big verdict.